Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. We're trying the viral TAE swimwear. At first I thought it was Tay, like Tay V, but I just realized I'm cooking. If you guys don't know what these bathing suits are viral for, they cinch in your stomach, your tummy, your side cushions, your cookies, your jellos. Like that. This swimwear is known for mega sculpting, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna get that out of there. We better. And the niche community that raves about these TAE swimwear are mainly moms, postpartum moms. As a mid-sized girly, there's no shame in this game. All about being confident. It's all about sculpting my own body into something that is possible, but just like really deep down underneath possible. I'm gonna show you guys that it's worth it. I hope, because these things are expensive, dude. They're like 175, 73. This was like 700 bucks. If you didn't know, these swimsuits are supposed to just like cinch in your waist with these two little strings. You're just supposed to go thin. Sculpted. BBL. Now, how true is that? I don't know. That's why we're here. This one specifically was actually really interesting to buy. With this underwiring bra situation, you were supposed to measure your cups, and I found out that I was a trippity. I thought I was a C this whole time. Okay, who am I kidding in my dreams? And then these swimsuits also double as a bodysuit, so you can wear this under your jeans, whatever. But I'm no fan of a bodysuit because how do you function? Like, what if you actually need to pee? I'm not willing to get naked in public. Okay. One more thing before I show you the magic. You can choose short, medium, or long, depending if you're like petite, very tall, medium, average. Wow, they really cater to your body shape. They're really trying here, and I can appreciate that. But again, the price was a little hard to swallow. I kind of understand because this texture, this quality, padding, paneling underneath is so thick. Wait, what? It's twisted. Does that mean someone wore this before me? I don't know, girl. So this is just me, full on, yada yada, doopity doop. All you gotta do is take these strings. It looks like this right now. You guys see? No way. What? Girl. Did something happen? Did you guys see that? Oh my god, I have hips. This is as much as I should go. I feel like I'm really pushing it back here. And did I say this was mid-size plus size friendly? Did we just finally find a swimwear brand made for us? Get yourself together. Let's tie her up, choke her up. We did not just do that to our body. Did we just cut ourselves in half? The thing is, like, it's not even uncomfortable. It just snapped. My butt does look a little funny, but that's not the point today. Did you see what happened to my waist? Good thing that the straps are not uncomfy. They're really wide and thick anyway. Also with the cupping of the tatas, I could have sized down. I don't think I'm a triple D. I think a double D would have been really good. I don't know. Girls look good. The waist looks snatched. I don't feel conscious of my stomach at all. I truly do feel like if I were to go out in this, swimming in this, I feel pretty confident, except I don't have enough butt to fill this up. Do you see there's like a little extra cushion right here? It pops out a little much. I could have slipped away with the size large, but you know me, I'm trying to shop for my size as of current. This is an extra large. I am impressed. The style of this as well is just so sleek and classic. The fact that I have fake hips, have a waist like this, I'm shocked. I can see why it's viral. And the tummy tiny is not that bad. Honestly, it's not shabby. There's a double layering. It feels good. The only thing I'd complain is my own ass. I just have nothing to fill the sides right here. This is looking a little loosey-goosey. This is the red one. I kind of wish this red was a little bit richer, deeper. This red feels a little bit more like a neon red. It's almost like a coral red. I can't explain it. Anyway, are we ready? So this is just as is. I just feel so much hope for my girly pops. Like, what's the point of tummy control if you don't have shape? Takes it 2 steps further. Okay, I think we're ready. How did I become skinny? More. Okay, don't do it so much that you're like squeezing your back jigglies into like these open holes. Pull that up a little. I mean, but girl, when was I other than just a circle? I mean, honestly, just start scooping your back towards the front. Once you turn to the side, I feel like a lot of things are bunched up. Again, just really scoop that. I have a bone to pick. I have tried better tummy control bathing suits. However, this one with the shape controlling, you just can't deny that it looks good. I mean, for someone who's 5 foot tall tall in the 165 area. This looks good. I have no right to complain. I feel like a smash burger. And also with the square neck, like the girls look really good in this. There is like a line cinching from here down. Kind of just helps hold stomach down. I feel like very tiny. And I'm having the same issue with my booty because I don't have enough to fill up the sides. Like you could just see that wouldn't be an issue if I was a little thicker back there, but I literally have an inverted ass. So what are you gonna do? This is literally armor, so tough. It won't sound just double up. Live life on the edge. Live, laugh, love. I just find it insane that usually this area is where I'm the roundest. I mean, obviously here too. I have dips and it's not uncomfy. It doesn't feel like anything's like poking you or you're feeling like, oh, I can't breathe. Flexible in here. You know what it is? I think I just feel validated and seen. Finally, swimwear made for girls who are just a little bit more round. We just need an extra push. Blur and blend the apple. I'm impressed. Okay, so here's the white one. To be honest, I was a little bit embarrassed. Maybe shy is a better word to wear white because white is so like, it's just so forth-telling. You can even see the imprint of my underwear. You can also see my underwear peeking out. It runs a little bit higher into your hips, your waist, your it runs up your vagina, that's for sure. It's a little bit more of a high rise, a little bit more exposure around your bikini line and such. White, it just amplifies my body, I feel like. I do like the neckline. I do think it's super nice and clean. You know? The girlies look really good in this, I'm not gonna lie. Here we go. It always blows my mind. More. That's just crazy. Like, are we okay? The chubs are being squished upward. So maybe we just need to keep going. Oh, a little too tight. A little too tight. I feel like there's pressure on my neck, on my shoulders. So now we know where the magic goes. It rises upward. Of course, the cinching looks amazing right here. Cuts you without it feeling uncomfy. All the squishies just kind of rise above and lay under your tatas, which is fine. I feel like it was more camouflage in the colored ones. And also you can really see the fupa line, which isn't like the most preferred. A bit more straining on my shoulders. I don't know, maybe because the strap size is different. Digging in my shoulder a little bit. Back is pretty much the same though. Like, this is me just letting it all out. It's very tucked in. I don't know what happened, but maybe it's not as up to par as I thought. It sucks though because like this white is really beautiful. Like so flattering on the tatas, a nice little deep V cut. The strap's tricking you into a halter, but that's like, I'm sure you'll see when I need to go pee because my bladder's just gonna like twofold expand. And I don't think we're ready for that. When I tell you my onion's just poofy, it is. It's genetics. I don't know. It's very blown up in this white suit. I would say white should be your last choice. Okay, sis. I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of variety here. Went with the long sleeve one. Sun protection is really important. I too am into long sleeve swimsuits. I mean, at least I'm trying to be. It's not like I've ever worn one out because I never made it that far with my confidence. There is a little strapping underneath here. Very thin. You just clip it on, collapse it together to hold your stomach almost. It goes all the way up. I'm liking it already. I mean, look at the shade. It's already giving, and I haven't even cinched it. Okay, here we go. I feel like there's not much pull on this one. There's pull on this one. Get one more in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Black is just the way to go, seriously. Oh my god. Ow. The biggest thing is that it helps with my legs. My hip dips are so unbearable to myself and me and night. This actually helps my leg look nice and firm and like round on the side because of this fake hip thing. And honestly, the butt fits. That's weird. I didn't expect that. There's a lot of coverage. I will say it comes up pretty high in the back. Interesting cut. I feel like a drawing. And the tummy control on the stomach for this one, delicious. This feels like a bullet train can go right through me and I'd be completely fine, like a superhero. My waist just feels so nice. Just even if you leave a little bit open, it kind of like cuts into your throat oddly. So I do recommend like actually opening it and letting it relax so that it's not so closed and tied up. Totally wear this around friends and family and not feel too like out there. My skin's protected. I feel like a lifeguard. It's so nice on the arms. I have room. I'm not stiff. I can walk around. I can be. It's gorgeous. Like I could just wear this around in the house. No wonder these suits double as bodysuits because you can wear jeans over it. I feel a little bit more comfortable once you open it a little deeper because this widens out and sits on your chest a little bit better, lays out on its own. You cannot fault a girl walking out like this. It's so cute. It's just nice and covered up. I am feeling myself in this. You just feel so hidden. That's just the way to go. You don't have to be self-aware. Just go and enjoy your day. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna leave the links down below. Let me know what you guys want to see this summer. Until next time, snatch your waist. See you at the water. Bye.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.